Hi guys, in this series I'm going to be working through all or most of the cutters in the Trend 1/2" router cutter set. I'm going to be using the Trend CRT Mark III router table, and the idea is to demonstrate each and every cutter, demonstrating the cutter being used and ultimately showing you the results of the cut. I'll be aiming to demo 3 cutters per video. I'm going to be using moisture resistant MDF. Let's show you the cutters. These are all the cutters that you get in the set, 35 pieces in total, all different. It's a trade selection, all very good cutters. Got a mixture of bearing and non-bearing. Let's just pick a random set. Let's pick this one. Let's pick this one. And let's pick this one. These are my 3 for this video. Let's go ahead, set one up, get cutting. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next part and we'll keep going until we finish the set. Have a great Friday. I'll see you next Friday. Take it easy. Ciao for now.